you there, Caleb? Oh, I found a radio. I found one. Should I follow the road? I hear radio, but I don't know where I'm going. Caleb, are you there? Hello? Caleb? What is this? I mean, oh, it's a face! Can you get on top of it? Oh shit, what did I do? What the fuck, I can't see! Oh shit! What the fuck? Run! Is he back there still? I hear another radio. Oh, I'm in a freaking cemetery. Come on now. Yo, I found 3. I beat my record. This piece of shit pops up on me one more fucking time, I probably will freaking shit myself. What the fuck? Is this a house? It's another face. Yo, I found 4. There's a lot of notes. Welcome back, Mr. Caleb. Why? Go to Indie Games White Noise. You have to search it up on the Indie. Oh shit! Where is he? I didn't even see him! Where am I going? I can't see! It's called White Noise, The Tale of Horrors. I found like 4 radios. I had to redo it because something was lagging on my video. I don't know what's wrong with your Xbox. Yeah, that one right there. Play it. Wait. Is there a radio over here? This is scary. I have no clue where I'm going. I can't even hear radios. I'm at a wall right now. Oh, gosh, I keep turning off the freaking night vision. Yeah, I'm recording right now. Oh, motherfucker! I am done. I'm not doing this shit anymore. That piece of shit cheats. I'm done.